morning we're going to do what's hopefully going to be a fun project of planting some loofahs. Loofahs, if you don't know, they're a vining plant, and they can be eaten as a vegetable or grown till maturity and used like a scrubbing sponge. So we're going to make an arch with a bunch of hog panels so that they can grow up the panels and then the fruit will hang down off of it. We've got our ground tilled up, ready to go. We'll sink some posts and attach the panels to it and then make an arch and sink some more posts. I've got the kids helping me today, so we're going to get going on this. So welcome to the Neals Homestead, and today we're building trellis for loofahs. And here comes Grandpa to help us out as well.
We brought up 6 hog panels, which are 16 feet long, and we're going to drive posts at the end, on one end, and then we'll bend the other one up to make an arch and put a post on the other end of it to hold it up, and then we'll wire them together as we go. We have to do them about one at a time, or we can't be horse enough to bend them. So
our plan is to set a post at the end, and then 1.5 panels set a post, 1.5 panels set a post, and so on to the end. And then we will arch the panels and put posts on the other side. So we're wiring the panels together, and then we're wiring the panels to the post on this side. We're getting this whole side fastened together and done, and then we'll go to the other side and bend them one by one. So how far apart do you think we want to put these? Or do you want to put it up and eyeball it?
What I want is to be able to walk inside, for me at least, to be able to walk inside of it. So that will determine how far apart they go by that.
Okay, so we got to put it up and see where it comes to. Okay.
Bend one up there and see what it needs. And I don't think it's going to be easy. Don't get hurt. There we go. That's good for me.
They're going to hang down in the way. There's going to be vines.
That's not very wide, is it?
No.
Okay, so there. That's good. Anybody in this family can do that. So.
Okay.
So you need a post.
Yep, got them right here.
I'm not going to tie 2 things together. I'm just going to put it.
All right, we're ready for number 2. Up we go. So we're tying the top of the 2 panels, and then just like the other side, I'm coming 1.5 panels and putting a post in, and then we'll tie it to the post, and we'll tie the 2 panels together here at the bottom as well.
Like that right here? Is it gonna be easier now?
Twisted.
Okay.
make an even twist so both of them are wrapping around each other.
Right there?
That should be long.
And then when you're through, that's good enough. We'll close the ends in so nobody gets poked, hopefully.
Nope, David's getting me in wire. Thank you, little girl. This is our last panel, and then we'll just about be ready to start planting. This garden soil is a little bit poor, so I'm going to add some extra fertilizer to it. I've got two things. This is a balanced 10-10-10, and then this is urea fertilizer, which is nitrogen, high nitrogen. I'll sprinkle this down along the edge, and then I'm going to rake the dirt in a little bit to make a ridge so they won't flood, and then we'll plant the plants. I'm going to go ahead and fertilize the middle of the row as well, because after they've started growing up, we're going to try to grow some lettuce and maybe some other greens in the middle, so it has some shade and stays cooler. We'll see how that works for us. So I'll just go ahead and fertilize it so it can, while I'm doing it.
Growing some shallots, and they made some seed stalks, so I'm cutting them off. These are called alliums, and we're cutting these off because they use up the plant's energy.